Hello everyone, this is Big J7 again. Now I wanted to make a simple video on how to add a YouTube video on your 360 blog. Okay, first of all, we're going to start off with go into your Compose Your Blog entry. Okay, then we're going to come in, and then you're going to do, of course, you know how you normally do your title. If you want, curse that out, and we'll put help. Okay, that'll be our title. Now, of course, if you want to add a photo, you browse it in. Y'all know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, you would just browse your photos. I gotta move this. I can't. I'm having trouble moving. Here we go. Get into the screenshot here. You browse your photos. Of course, I have tons of pictures of Jennifer Aniston. So if you want to, you would just click it, hit open, and then put it in the thing. But I'm not going to do that right now. Let's work on how to add the video. First of all, let's kind of go over what all these features do on here, so it can help you. First, we have the font face that determines what style text you're going to have. As you can see it. It depends what kind of style text you have. Next is going to be what size of text you want. Okay, next is going to be bold, italic, add a link. That's if you want to put a link to another page or maybe to your MySpace page or whatever. You can do it that way if you like. Of course, then you have your little emotion guys. See that? If you want to add some fun with those, you can add those guys in. Now here's the one that's really neat is your text color. You can make your text any color you want by clicking on it first and then typing your text. Okay, let's go back up here. We also have, of course, your highlight. If you want to highlight your text, which means you can have black letters with any kind of color background right behind the text. Okay, now these guys here are to align your text. If you want to do it centered, this is really good if you're writing a story or something like that. It works out really good. Okay, also if you want to do your numbers and your bullets, you can use that area there. This, of course, is gonna decrease or increase your indent, which is going to slide it over or not. And of course, you got your cut. These are just your cut, your copy, your paste, and of course the most important is your spell check right here. Now this is all on everybody's 360 page. You'll see called the entry content right there. But this is the key you need to be able to add video or HTML to your unit, to your blog. You're going to click on that box, okay, and then everything's going to go blank. You see that? Now you're going to have two line here for your paragraph. Okay, that shouldn't have came up. I did something wrong. Okay. Here's what you do. You're going to write your text as you would normally write it. This is a video on how to put YouTube in your blog. I think I misspelled something somewhere. Yeah, I forgot that. Here it goes. YouTube in your blog. Okay. Then what we want to do is we want to go to YouTube or wherever you find your video. Let's zoom out here. And what you want to go to is you want to go to the embed code. See, that's right here. On whatever video you like, right there's your embed code. Okay, you wanna highlight it just as I did there. Okay, you wanna highlight the whole thing. Okay, then you wanna left click and put copy. Okay, once it's saved, then we're gonna go back to our blog. It's gonna zoom out so you can see now from the whole picture. We're gonna go back to our blog. Embed code is still on. Okay, bring it down a little bit so it doesn't conflict. Put paste, and there's your code. Do you see all the code in there? Right there's all the code. Okay. Then what you do next is you come down here, hit preview so you can see it, make sure it's the way you like it, and there's your video, and then there's your title right above it. Now the cool thing about this now is that it's actually in there. You can go ahead and go down, hit edit, okay, and now you can change your text color and add more if you want, because you already have a text line in there. So let's show you how to do that. You would highlight your text. If you want to change the font, you see how the font changed? If you want to change the color of the text, you would go into this area, and let's turn it to blue. Okay, and see now it's blue. See it? Hope that helps there. So it's actually pretty simple to do. Now, of course, you can add more text. You can add whatever you want. That's just a real basic thing on how to do it. You see that right there? And there it is right there. There's the text. Sorry, it's kind of... Here we go. This is a video on how to put YouTube in your blog. And I hope that helps. Enjoy. So there's your video right there if you want to put in there. You can do more. As you get more familiar with it, you can add more stuff to it. So I really hope that helps, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.